Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Smytten Borosilicate glass bottle. I had bought this from the Smytten application from the bucks section. So I paid the delivery fee of 60 rupees and nearly 599 bucks I redeemed. Very good quality. Loved the product. It looks around 750 ml of bottle, more than half liter. I'm using this to store my DIY powders like orange peel powder. It looks so well packed. Inside the cap you can see the rubber for extra tightening. It is airtight bottle. Overall I love the product, and if you have also tried this product then you can share the review in the comment section below. That will be really helpful for all of us. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.